The nitrogen cycle begins in the atmosphere, where nitrogen gas makes up 78% of the air we breathe. But plants can't use it directly in this form. Special bacteria called rhizobia live in root nodules of legume plants, converting atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form through a process called nitrogen fixation. When plants and animals die, decomposers break down organic matter, releasing nitrogen compounds back into the soil. Plants absorb these nitrogen compounds through their roots, using them to build proteins and grow while passing the nutrients up through the food chain. Lightning strikes also play a role, creating nitrogen oxides that combine with rainwater to deliver nitrogen directly to the soil. However, human activities can disrupt this natural cycle, leading to environmental issues like water pollution and harmful algal blooms.